Hi all, welcome to my channel. I'm Shiva here. We are again back with our series that is building a real app using .NET Core backend and front-end Angular. Uh, we are going to build our app from scratch. So as per the syllabus, yesterday we have covered HTML, how the HTML page looks like, and we have other contents as per the plan that is uh, forms, semantic structure we covered yesterday. Semantic structure using nothing but instead of div tags, we have covered like a header tag, main tag, section tag, and the footer tag, and logical grouping of elements using form and the section with the header. That all we have covered, and we have seen in the previous lecture. So if you guys, anyone new guys are watching this, you can see my previous recording. You can get the understanding that semantic things from there. So today we are going to discuss about forms, flexbox, and responsive design. And our end goal is using this HTML and JS, JavaScript, simple JavaScript and CSS. We should build a static login page. So our motto is to build the app by learning the concepts. So as per the so what I am looking for is basically we should be able to build this page like this. Whatever I am displaying, it will have a simple title and with a header and a flex box. This is nothing but a flex box. Flex box will have a title again and the elements. This is nothing but HTML element, two HTML element button and the anchor tag. So here user will be, if he is registered, he can use this login page. If not, he should go to this and he can log in. He can provide his details like this and he can register, right? So I have simply used HTML and not much complex code. Here it will just showing up a alert box. In future, we can even say a material toggle notification. And as we go progress down the lane, I can improvise this style or notification displaying like we. So like that. That is in the sign up form. And if we have the login details, we can log in. If there is a duty of validation here for the HTML, we do have a required validator inside HTML tags itself. So we can make use of them. And we can have minimum character also. So min length also there. We can provide that. So on click of login, it is going navigating to dashboard page. This is a home page with the header and the nav links. This is navigation. So here we have home and logout and a simple dashboard, just a static content. So on click of logout, we should be navigating to login page. So this is our end goal. What should be develop? We should be developing by writing code. So all of that needs only three forms: login page. Yesterday we have developed it along with that home page and the sign up page. Sign up page will have the form with the required elements and we have the script because script is written below because form should be loaded first. After loading the form, script will be eh, working, right? And the style sheet, here style sheet is having this is nothing but a flex box, display flex, justify content. This is horizontal alignment. This is a vertical alignment, right? Align item center. This is nothing but a flex box. And responsive design, in case of mobile browsers, the size width of the applications will be very low. So to make our application responsive, that means uh, we can increase the length of this application, increase the width. Let's see that option. Mm, Customize. Yeah, here it is. This is 25. Mhm. We can have that feature to make this as a mobile thing. Yeah, here it is. See this? On click of this button, our page is became a of size, this much of height, this much of width, and this much of height. So this looks like a mini mobile screen, right? We can even reduce this, right? See, mid-tier mobile, low-tier mobile. So this is a mid-tier mobile. It is showing up like this. So our form itself, it will look like this in mobile screen. That's nothing but responsive design. This is appearing like this because of this code we have written here. That is responsive. Media, flex direction column wise because mobile will be column wise. So this all CSS and the script we have simply getting the we have having the form IDs here. So each form has this IDs. So we can retrieve the form using based on the ID. JavaScript tag nothing but to get element by ID login form. If login, so if login form is success proof, we are at the login page. This add event listener, we are adding the event for submit. So this is arrow function. So we will get the email based on using this tag. We all know get document by ID. This email is the ID. We have get the value. This is the email. This has ID, right? Get this value. What value we have passed that we can get it over here, and the password we can get, and we are simply adding a if condition. If email doesn't have at the rate or it doesn't password is less than 6, then it will be will throw this message to them, right? And we will navigate to if in case of successful scenario we will navigate to home page and log out also. In case of we have added a click event to that logout ID to this arrow function we have added. So if it is successful, simply go to login page. Sign up also. If in case of sign up also we have added a submit button. For that button we are adding event, submit event. Here we are not refreshing the page. To that prevent default code is written. Simply we are saying sign up successful and get back to the login page. So this code is very simple and straightforward. We will write down in the next class. So today class, I just want to showcase how it is our end page will be looking like and the outline of what we are going to learn. And next class, we will write down definitely and achieve this. So uh, hope you liked it. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you so much.